Will, it's your boy Will, and I'm back in another video, and today we will clean with Will, and this is day 38. I repeat, this is day 38, and let's go. Day 38. I don't know. We'll find out. I don't know which day this one is, video is, but we'll get over it, man. We'll do this for 7 minutes, man. Just get over it. That's a lot. And then he go drink that. Don't be out here as a content creator doing the wrong things to put viewers, and comments and likes, all that. Don't be out here as a content creator doing the wrong things, bro. That can blemish your whole image, bro. That's for all my content creators, bro. My fellow content creators, bro. Be out doing nothing wrong. Make sure this mic is on. Alright, bet. We'll put this on the side. Let people call you weird, bro. It could be weird, you know? Stand out. Stand out from the crowd. Stand out. Stand out from the crowd, man. At all times. And stay relentless. Stay relentless. Stay cringe. Stay goofy. At all times, man. No matter what the circumstances are. Don't let it make you. And I'm not just talking to y'all, I'm talking to me too. So it can be all I'm talking about, so I can let that come inside my subconscious, you feel me? Let that come to my subconscious. Subconscious. Have that $1 million grind, you feel? Everybody procrastinate. Don't become one of those. Find ways to cope with that, bro. Your habits. The habits stay with you, not people. Change your habits. This I can't clean this out. I'm gonna try though. Try that stability. Yeah, this slow. Oh, I think that's all. This gonna have to say in a war. All right, y'all. All right, it's time to go, man.